goes off, that means it's time to dispatch. Here we go. Front row Balder.
Yeah. I didn't know to see anything. Shawn just said that then. Front row.
We'll do the commentary on each other. This will be quite funny because Andy's filming, I'm filming, and off we go. Fast lifter on this one as well.
Yeah, looking forward to this. Well, it is steep, isn't it, that?
Steep and fast.
Yeah.
Front row with Balder on the blue trains, running a 2-train service. 2 out of 2. We got a red train and a blue train. And you got some great views. That's what makes this park, with it being in the city. Look at that for a
wow, beautiful. Here we go, first ever Intamin Woody for me. Looking forward to this.
Let's go.
Oh my God! Whoa! Woo! Ah! Woo!
Airtime! It's a bit of an airtime machine, this one, Andy.
Oh yeah!
Here we go.
Oh! Wow! Woo!
Pushes you over them hills.
Oh! Oh wow! Woohoo!
Head chopper.
No! Wow! Oh my God! This is, yeah, this is awesome!
This is a good one.
Woo! Oh, woo! I'm saying this right now. This is better than Troy.
Oh my God!
Yeah, new #1 Woody this already, and then finished it. Here we go! Woo! Woo! Airtime's insane. He's so smooth as well. Woo! Woo! Oh my God! Oh wow!
Did I just hear Andy say that he had a #1 Woody?
New #1 Woody.
There we go.
New #1.
He loved it.
That's amazing. That.
It's so smooth.
It's incredible. That.
It's so smooth.
Oh my God! I thought Troy had a lot of airtime, but that takes the crown for airtime. That's awesome.
Oh, I love it.
Wow. So here we go, back roll on Balder.
Balder.
Yeah. Like we'll come tomorrow. I was just saying I might not do a vlog tomorrow. Another cherry blossom tree there. Might not do a vlog tomorrow, but I'll try and do a few more POVs.
I mean, we've done everything, haven't
Yeah,
we?
we
Today,
have.
like filming a vlog, really.
This is really steep.
Water rides. Look at the sunset.
Wow, beautiful, yeah.
Oh wow.
Wow, that's stunning. That.
Oh.
Wait to see this view in a minute.
Oh, that's nice.
Here we go.
Here we go. 70-degree drop.
Oh wow! Airtime! Oh my God! I'm out of the seat. Very loose restraint on this. Yeah, into the tunnel.
Near miss, Alabama.
Wow! Oh! Woo! Oh my God! Look at that view. Airtime! Wow! And again! Woo! Oh wow!
Best one now.
More airtime! Woo! I'm standing up!
I've actually come off this ride with bruises before.
Yeah! Woo! Woo! Oh wow! This is so good! Oh wow! And again! Airtime! Woo! And again! Woo! Oh wow! What a Woody!
Beautiful.
I did say to Shawn just a minute ago, I'm not keen on the trains though. I think the trains are really
Bit ugly, aren't
a
they?
bit ugly, yeah.
I'm gonna sneeze, I am. Was that good?
Wow. Bless you.
Thank you. Sorry.